All right, guys, we're here at Accessories International. Today we've got the Dualtron mini scooter. We just reviewed the Dualtron X2. That's the big boy. Now we got the opposite side of the scale. This is the mini. This is for that compact feel for those smaller guys who want to be able to move around and be more mobile with their scooters. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and we're going to show you what this is all about. A couple layers of tape here, which is good. Keep the scooter intact while it goes through transit. Looks like a control for the LED lighting. Looks like some hand tools, a charger, some miscellaneous items, and your instruction manual. I'm going to assume this is a power adapter. Yeah, the power adapter for the battery. Not too big compared to the X2. This is a pretty compact size, so definitely something you can stick in a bag and take around with you if you needed to. So packaging is a lot more simple for this one. There's no metal cages or any disassembly. 55 pounds. They hit some power lifts. So this is everything. Doesn't seem to be doing anything.
Always read the instructions, guys.
So upon further investigation, we've determined that the quick fold pull handle is located here. Couple more features that we got here. So no actual headlight up top. We got the headlights are going to be on the sides here, LEDs. It's really just to illuminate the floor area that you're riding in. Here on the brake lever, you see when we push this brake lever, come around the back side here. When we push that brake lever, they actually turn on to indicate that the brakes are being applied. Nice touch. Then of course you got the LED lights that go all across here on the side panels, coming up here on the steering as well. ABS, so we've got some cool features that you can apply here. You can control whether you want the ABS to be on or off, and you've also got the ability to turn on a cruise control. So when you're riding, if you want this thing to kind of Tesla you around, you got the cruise control features as well. So we can control the lights here if you want to control the brightness, want to control the color scheme. You've got options with this remote to control those lights. But then you got all your basics, rear fenders, you got a motor in the rear, front fender, no motor in the front on this one. So we just got the motor in the rear. 9-inch tires. So X2 comes with 13, this comes with 9, a lot smaller tire. Again, you know, you'll have no problem going over rocks and debris and whatnot, but again, and this is a tube type tire, so it is reinforced with a tube inside of this tire. Okay, handlebars, right, so we'd be looking at right here, and then on this side, right, our instrument cluster is going to give us our battery life, speed, time, trip, odometer, CHA. Says that that's just if you don't want it to display anything. And voltage, the battery, exactly. And then you got your index throttle here, which we're not going to be pushing. Definitely a lot smaller than the X2, obviously. Definitely no option to put a seat on here. Specs, everyone wants to know the specs of the scooters, right? So the Dualtron Mini, you get about 30 to 35 miles in terms of range before you're going to need to charge it back up again. The charge time isn't bad. If you use a standard charger, you're looking at about 8 hours. But if you use the quick charger, which is that bigger power adapter that we showed you, that one actually 2.5. So not bad if you're willing to carry around the big block with you. In terms of the construction, aluminum, steel, and then the covers that you got, plastic. This is the Mini. It's small. The weight capacity that Dualtron says is 220 pounds. So if you're a real big guy, this may not be down your alley, but if you're smaller, average, and you want something that's going to be easier to transport, Dualtron Mini might be for you. In terms of speed, you're looking at about 35 miles an hour. Again, depending on your size, on your riding conditions, the environment, all that sort of deal. So guys, overall, that's the Dualtron Mini. Again, we've got them here at Accessories International. If you're interested in grabbing one of these for yourself, feel free to give us a call. We'll help answer all the questions you might have. Be sure to also like and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots of videos coming on the scooters, on the additional accessories, all sorts of stuff. So make sure you keep yourself in the loop and hit that subscribe button. My name is Alex here at Accessories International. Again, give us a call, 786-242-5400, and free shipping. That's the best part. You're not having to pay these big out of these world shipping prices. We'll ship them free. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.